Okay, I need to talk about something that everyone is doing, but nobody is talking about honestly. Using AI for study, is it actually helping you get better results? Or is it slowly making you dumber? Let's have an honest conversation about this. Be honest with yourself right now. How many times have you copied an answer straight from ChatGPT and submitted it? How many times have you asked AI to summarize a chapter instead of reading it? I'm not judging you because I've been there too. But here's the thing, nobody tells you there's a right way and the wrong way to use AI for studying. And the difference between the two will literally determine your future. Let me tell you what most students are doing wrong. They open ChatGPT, they paste the question, they copy the answer, done. Sounds smart, right? Wrong. You just robbed yourself of the thinking process. And thinking is literally the only skill that AI cannot replace. If you stop thinking, AI doesn't just replace your homework, it replaces you. Now let me tell you how the smart students are actually using AI. Instead of asking AI, what is the answer to this question? They ask, explain this concept to me like I'm 10 years old. Instead of copying, they use AI to understand first, then write in their own words. Instead of letting AI think for them, they use AI to check their own thinking. That's the difference between using AI as a crutch and using AI as a superpower. So here are 3 ways you can use AI the right way as a student. Number 1. Use AI to explain concepts you don't understand, not to give you answers, to help you understand. Number 2. Use AI to quiz yourself. Ask it to give you practice questions on any topic, then answer without looking. Number 3. Use AI to review your own writing. Write your answer first, then ask AI what you missed or got wrong. This way you are still thinking. AI is just your study partner. Now here's the uncomfortable truth that nobody wants to hear. The students who are using AI to avoid thinking, you are going to seriously struggle in real life. Because in your job, in your business, in your real life, nobody is going to let you paste a question into ChatGPT and copy the answer. They are going to look at you and ask you to think, solve and decide. And if you never practiced thinking, you won't be able to do it. AI is the most powerful tool of our generation. But a tool is only as powerful as the person holding it. So my challenge to you is this. Next time you open ChatGPT for study, don't ask it for the answer. Ask it to help you understand. That one habit will separate you from every other student who is just copying and pasting. Try it for 1 week and tell me in the comments if your understanding actually improved. I genuinely want to know if this made you think differently about how you use AI. Share this with one friend who needs to hear it. Follow Fizz Studio for more content that actually makes you think. I'll see you in the next one.